Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious apple turnovers. If we're worrying about making the puff pastry, we're going to let ourselves cheat a little today and use store-bought, and we're going to focus more on making a lovely apple filling for inside the turnover. Let's make the apple filling, and for this recipe you'll need 4 medium-sized apples. These ones I'm using are a Bramley apple. Peel and chop them up into chunks just like this. I'm going to fry these in a pan with a little butter. Melt the butter before adding the apples to it and give them a stir. Add in the sugar and the cinnamon and stir again. These need to cook for about 10 minutes, and you don't want the apples totally stewed. It's perfectly okay to have chunks of apple left, as these will cook further when you're baking the apple turnovers. Pop into a bowl and allow it to cool. Roll out the puff pastry, and as I said, I'm cheating with this as it's store-bought, but it's way cheaper to buy it than to make it. Cut the pastry into 3 equal-sized strips and cut across the centre. Pop a tablespoon of the cooled apple in the centre of each of the squares. To seal the apple turnovers, brush some egg along the edge of each of the squares. Now to assemble, take one side of the pastry and pull it over to meet the other side. Use your fingers to push down and to seal the pastry together. Then just take a fork and press down the edge all along the side of the pastry. Brush all over with egg. The egg will help get that lovely golden colour. Use a sharp knife to make 2 slits in the top. This will allow the heat out while they're baking. Finally, sprinkle with some granulated sugar. Bake in a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden and puffed up. There you have them, a gorgeous batch of homemade apple turnovers. Now, weren't they really easy to make? You could experiment with different fruit fillings in these turnovers, like stewed rhubarb, apple and pear would be gorgeous together, and raspberry and apple as well. Check out the recipe in the description box under the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!